Pump is the best until today.
Hi, Mr. Liu.
Yeah.
I would like to know how long you have been staying here at Taman Sukun.
20 over years.
20 over years.
Yeah.
May I know what challenges did the Taman Sukun community face before these projects behind you?
First, especially my AJK is staying in Lorong Amra 1, Sukun 2, Sukun 3, Sukun 5 is the worst place. When heavy rain for 1 hour, the water will flooded the area.
The water level rise very fast, is it?
Last time can go up to the stomach high. That time I with Dr. To Kin Woon. We are helping pregnant people to take them out to the hospital.
When there is flooding happening.
Yeah, this is happening last time.
But so you are worrying about after installations, anything happen, you need a real-time monitoring as well, right?
One thing is that kalau we got the CCTV or any equipment that monitor from outside, like the taking care the pump one, they are not here.
So they can, if they can anytime view the pump condition via their phone or tablets, then it will be very good.
Yes, now they are installing already. Now I came to know only because this pump is new. And then now they try to install the CCTV over here. This is what I get the news from Cik Fairoz, MPSP one. And then they will install the CCTV very soon. And then I also talked to Dr. Nazran concern this. But we already going to send a letter about the second pump.
In overall, to the entire community at Taman Sukun, the major difference do you notice any major difference after the installations of Archimedean screw pump?
Lepas kita install ni pump, macam mana keadaan isi?
Dengan lebih baik lagi.
Sudah baik, okay lah.
Before that, if Mr. Liu noticed the issues about flooding, who brought up this issue and directed to who that leads to the installation of Archimedean screw pump?
This one, we got the MPKK meeting. From there, we bring up, and then I directly talk to YB. And then YB refer this case to Zairil Khair Johari. That's why this issue we can get a pump. And then I can say that it's good lah.
Thank you, Mr. Liu. We're happy to hear. Please do this R&D and also improvising our pump. And we have come out with actually recently a design tool. This design tool is featuring the capability of separating the trash, the rubbish. Maybe you say the block, the dahan pokok. So minimizing the rubbish in the drainage system. Do you think this design tool of Archimedean screw pump can be worked in the community of Taman Sukun as well?
I think if you got the separation of the one, it's good lah. Because you can separate the rubbish side.
The unforeseen rubbish.
Yeah. It's very good like that. Screw pump is the best until today.